Your next opportunity doesn't start with luck. It starts with your resume. Hi, I'm Aixon, and uploading your resume is the first step to making your application smarter and more targeted. Click Upload Resume to begin. Don't worry about perfection. Just bring your most recent version. I'll help you take it from there. Once your resume is uploaded, I'll scan it in a minute, looking at your strengths, any potential gaps, and how well it aligns with real job listings. This isn't just about formatting. It's about making sure your story connects with what employers are actually looking for. By uploading your resume, you've unlocked a full set of personalized insights built to help you stand out. And here's the good news. You've already taken the hardest step, getting started. Let's keep that momentum going. I'll walk you through how to update, improve, and complete your resume so it's truly job ready. I'm here to help you apply with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Ready? Let's take the next step.